The Ferrari 458 Speciale. It's rare. It's the pinnacle of Ferrari's V8 naturally aspirated performance, and it's an appreciating asset. So why don't you protect it? Let's see how we do it. So before the Speciale hits the road, we've taken it through a full transformation with our full detailing package, then we've done our expert paint correction, and then we've added in our ultimate protection with the Pro Film Ultra Clear Pro PPF. So this isn't any paint protection film, this is a Pro Film Ultra Clear Pro, which is specifically designed with a top coat to protect you in the Middle East harsh environment. UV, sun damage and sand erosion. This is one of the best we've seen in the market, and we've yet to see a PPF brand that stands up to the test as well as Pro Film does. So if you've got something unique, check out Pro Film's Ultra Clear Pro. So now this 458 Speciale is ready for the road. We've got it perfected, protected and preserved. Its future value is going to soar. So go on to rmappf.ie, get your car booked in and look after it as good as this.